Have you ever helped so much that you ended up feeling exhausted? Or perhaps your help wasn't as effective as you hoped? Today on Stoic Monk, we'll explore 9 shocking truths that reveal how our best intentions can sometimes be counterproductive. Discover how to balance your desire to help with Stoic wisdom to improve not only your life, but also the lives of those around you. Truth 1. The Dependency Paradox. Helping can create dependency. Think about it. When you constantly solve someone else's problems, you may prevent them from learning to solve them on their own. The Stoics teach us that true help empowers rather than creates dependency. How can you balance this? Start by encouraging others to take initiatives, suggesting suitable challenges that stimulate their personal growth. Truth 2. Obstacles to learning. Rescuing impedes learning. Jumping to the rescue before someone struggles a bit with a problem robs them of the opportunity to learn from their mistakes and grow. Moments of difficulty are crucial for personal development. Instead of rushing to help, consider offering emotional support or suggestions that guide without removing responsibility from their hands. Truth 3. Autonomy and growth. Autonomy is essential for personal growth. By helping too much, we might stifle others' ability to make their own decisions. Facilitating autonomy means less direct intervention and more support when needed. Let them face their own challenges and take a step back. Watch how this can transform both their confidence and competence. Truth 4. The intrusiveness of unsolicited help. Unsolicited help can be intrusive. Sometimes our attempts to help without being asked can make others feel incompetent. Before acting, ask or assess whether your intervention is really necessary or desired. This simple gesture can maintain respect and dignity for all involved. Truth 5. Compassion versus wisdom. Compassion must be balanced with wisdom. It's easy to get carried away with the impulse to solve other people's problems, but Stoic wisdom teaches us to weigh our actions. The next time you feel the urge to help, take a moment to consider the long-term implications of your intervention. Ask, am I helping in a way that fosters independence, or am I merely easing my own discomfort at seeing others in difficulty? Truth 6. The cost of excessive sacrifice. Sacrificing too much is unsustainable. Helping others should not cost you your well-being. The Stoics promote a balance between giving and taking care of oneself. If you find yourself constantly exhausted by your efforts to help, it's time to reassess your limits. Self-care is not just an act of survival, it's an act of wisdom. Truth 7. Helping as avoidance. Sometimes helping is a form of evasion. We throw ourselves into others' problems to avoid facing our own. Being aware of this can help you understand your true motivations and maintain a healthier focus for both you and those you try to help. Truth 8. The importance of boundaries. Establishing healthy boundaries is crucial. Learning to say no or not now is essential for maintaining healthy and sustainable relationships. These boundaries not only protect you, but also respect the autonomy and needs of others. Truth 9. Intentions versus outcomes. Good intentions do not guarantee positive outcomes. The actual impact of our actions can be very different from what we expect. Continuous reflection and adaptation of our strategies are necessary to ensure that our helping actions are truly beneficial. These truths invite you to critically reflect on the real meaning of helping. At Stoic Monk, we promote help that empowers and respects balance. If this video made you rethink how you help, subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Together, we can learn to offer help that truly makes a difference.